Here's a way to play it. I'm going to assume that you two have already hooked up, but it still works fine if you haven't yet already. You take her out for coffee. Find a seat where the lighting isn't harsh or by the window. Cafes are nice because they are public places, but everyone is busy on their computers or iPads to pay too much attention to you. Sit across from her. Look into her eyes, and tell her that at this time in your life, you're incapable and/or are unwilling to maintain a commitment with her. Maybe it's about where you are emotionally, maybe it's about personal goals. Tell her that it's about either or a combination of both. It doesn't matter, as long as it's stated clearly and honestly. Keep eye contact with her, and tell her that you are not, however, oblivious to your own physical needs and urges. Tell her that you're looking for, essentially, a fuck buddy. Ask her for her forgiveness for being crude, but that is where you are right now. And then tell her that you do not want that with her. Tell her that, since she has stated that she wants a deeper commitment from you, you have too much respect for her to continue in a kind of relationship that would only toy her both sexually and emotionally, and eventually have her come to resent you. Answer any questions she has, making sure she has a clear understanding that you two will no longer continue to have sex. Make sure you pay for the coffee and croissants. Don't make a big deal about it, just, be cool. I will guarantee you, she will remember you as one of the coolest and maturest men she has ever met. She will use you as her measuring stick when it comes to other relationships with men. You'll be the one she thinks about when she puts words to what she wants out of her own relationships with men. You will be the smile on her face that, one day, her husband will recognize and come to thank you. All because you told her that you only wanted detached sex, and wanted to be with women who only wanted the same thing.